Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mommy Arily. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't be a stranger, hit on that subscribe button to be part of this amazing fam. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the realest. I keep saying it and you know it. I love you guys. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this messy bun with my natural kinky hair. I have been obsessed with this particular style, this cute style. So I decided to come here and just show you how I achieve it from this to this. This style is very easy and very achievable with probably all the products you're having for your natural hair. So just watch and I hope you learn how to do the style. If you have any comments, don't forget to put it in the comment section. And if you want to try out any other hairstyle, do let me know in the comment section. I already stretched my hair out, that's why it's looking like this. And also I do not have very thick hair, so I feel like that is why it is very easy for me to achieve. First things first, I have to pack it. I have to divide it to sections too. So I'm just dividing into parts. I'll be using water to just lay it down and a little bit of leave-in conditioner. We're packing it. So now for the front, I want to achieve a center pattern. Like I said earlier, my hair is really soft, so putting the leave-in conditioner so I can see it well. Then I go back to achieve the center pattern. So I think I have achieved it. I'm going to be cutting out two small parts of my hair to have like two bangs. And I'm just twisting this one out. So this is it too. I'm trying to pack the remaining ones to meet this one. Now that we've gotten to this point and I've packed it down, you can see that this part is a little bit lifted and this one is flat. I'm going to go into my got to be a little. And rub it on my hair. You can see I'm able to pack everything into a bun here. So now for me to style the front, I'm going to go into this brush. I know it's a little bit dirty, but let's ignore that. So I'm going to be tying this scarf on it so that it can lay well. Please ignore my village style of tying scarf, but this is the only way I know how to tie it. So ooh, but it is so cute. So let me just let me twist this ones. I'm just going to leave it in the silk scarf for like 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, I have the softest hair ever. Let me leave it for 5 minutes and I'll be back. So I'm done with my makeup. Let's finish the hair. So as you can see, it's already laying flat. So I'll be attaching this. Weave to my hair. This is it. After doing that, I'm going to go into a rubber band, very black. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you're going to try it out, please let me know in the comment section, and if you want me to do any other tutorial, please let me know also in the comment section. I'll see you on my next one. But before I go, please don't be a stranger, hit on that subscribe button so you'll be part of this amazing fam. Bye guys.